Hello everyone, welcome back to the Backbencher Microbiologist, and today will be episode 1 of skincare using microbes. And today I will be teaching you a simple remedy to clear off your tan instantly and effectively. And today our star ingredient is yogurt. Yogurt contains good probiotics which can reduce inflammation and helps to soothe our skin effectively, and also it promotes a healthy glow. And another main ingredient in our DIY face mask is tomato puree, and tomato contains enzymes like lycopene which helps to remove the tan and give a brighter complexion instantly. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, and mixing it thoroughly and applying in your face. For you can let it sit until it dries. This pack works effectively for oily to combination skin. So let's try it. Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of episode 1 of skincare using microbes. So let's start applying the face mask. Basically I use my fingers, traditional method of Indians. So I apply like just a thin layer. So I didn't made into a thick paste because I wanted to apply all over my body. I have applied this face mask thoroughly all over my face. So because of the time limit, I am cutting down in between to apply on my face, hands and legs. You can see I have applied a thin layer over my face as well as my neck. So I'm going to apply on my hands also. I will surely show you the results. So you can see. You can also scrub it like that. I am going to apply only on one hand to show you the difference. So I have applied here. So see the difference. So let's wait until it gets dry. I will be back. So
Meanwhile,
அதுக்கான ஒன்றும் சொல்ல மாட்டேன் அப்படின்னு. मेहंदी देखो गाइस, मैंने आज मेहंदी लगाई. பாருங்க गाइस, நான் இன்னைக்கு மருதாணி போட்டிருக்கேன். நல்லா இருக்கா? காத்து மேல, காத்து கீழே, இங்க வரல, அதனால விசிறேன். It's now been 20 minutes now. You can see it's almost dried. Let's wait for 10 minutes and then let's wash our face. So I am back now. You can see I have washed my face. So let's wash it down. You can see the increased glow. You can see now I'm one shade lighter now. This pack really worked for me. Let me show you my hand also. See, you can see a clear difference. Here the tan lines are very less and here it's more. You can see here it's so much of tan lines. Here there are no tan lines. It's much lighter now. So surely try it and let me know how it worked for you. See you until then, and don't forget to like